In this question, we've got 48 plus 28 and 32 hundredths. Because we're adding a number that has a decimal point, we need to make sure that we line up the decimal points in both numbers. But the question is, where's the decimal point in 48? In case you're not sure, whenever you have a whole number, the decimal point is always at the very end of that whole number. So let's write it in here. Now that we know where our decimal points are in both numbers, let's write in our first number. The next thing we'll do is write in our second number. But we need to make sure that we use our first decimal point as a guide for our second decimal point. So the way I like to do it is I like to write in the decimal point first. Next, I'll write in any numbers to the left of the decimal point, making sure that I only write one number in each column. So I'll write this 8 here, under this 8. And I'll write this 2 over here, under the 4. Then, I'll write in anything to the right of the decimal point. So I'll put a 3 over here, and a 2 over here. And if there are any blank spaces, we can always fill those blank spaces with zeros. So I'll place a 0 here on top of this 3, and another 0 here on top of this 2. Next, we'll write in the addition symbol, underline everything, and get to work, starting from the right column. And just a reminder, the reason why we're lining up our decimal point is because when we do that and we put one number in each column, we're actually correctly lining up our place values. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. Make sure you bring down the decimal point. 8 plus 8 is 16. So we'll bring down the 6 and carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. Making the final answer 76 and 32 hundredths, more commonly read as 76.32.